Morning adventurers, this is Jerry from AdventurousJeriLynn. Today I'm just partaking in the geese just coming in and out. I don't know if you can hear them. This weekend's going to be a busy weekend. We are helping one of our kids move, and so I'm just kind of sitting around until I get the call to head that way. And in the meantime, I'm going to just enjoy these fall colors. I took a little video that you could see. Oh boy, they're really coming in. Can you hear that? What a beautiful fall morning. It's almost like, oh. They are really, oh, there they are. Did I get them? I'm not sure if I got them on camera. Oh, they were taken off. Anyways, I'm hoping you have a great weekend, or if you, well, this will be coming out Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. And, well, and then there they go. Oh, I want to show you my new glasses. Look, I got my new glasses. They're a little bit more, they're still the no transition, but you don't see like the bold black all the way around like I had the Harley Davidson glasses that I had previous. These are like no frame at the bottom, but just on the top. I think it's sort of like a rose gold or something like that with a trim of black on top. But I like them. I really do. Oh, you can hear more. And can you see the moon? That sound never gets old. Well, we are going to cut back in when I'm in the middle of doing my... That is so cool. Okay. You love Canada geese. They're just beautiful. Oh, they're all like right in there. Right in there. Well, they're probably more interested than me sitting here talking. Okay, we'll chime back in, and we'll talk to you soon. Welcome back. Well, earlier this morning I say we, meaning I just drove, and then they packed the Jeep up with boxes, and then they had their stuff, and got stuff moved in. They're not all the way in, but they're in for the most part. I mean, I think what's left is the big stuff, like furniture and stuff. But other than that, they'll be a lot closer to me and Robert, and I think she'll like that. So that'd be cool. Right now, I'm just sitting here, just relaxing. After we got done moving, I didn't move. I just watched. And after that, after we got done with everything, then we went and got something to eat. And now we're all sitting here full. They're heading back home. I'm heading back and home, and thought I'd pull over. I saw some real beautiful scenery. I love the color of these leaves changing. I don't know if you could see the lake in between the trees, but it's a beautiful day. It's about 58 degrees. Not too bad in Northeast Indiana. I think tonight, I think it's going to get below freezing if I'm not mistaken. So this video isn't about anything particular except, you know, you have plans and then life happens, and, you know, when the kids say they need something, then you jump in and help. That's what you're supposed to do as a parent when you can. So, and that's what happens. So I'm happy to oblige. So I guess I'll just wrap this video up. I don't know what else to say, but I love you, family. Thanks so much for watching and still, you know, supporting me and my channel, even though we haven't left. You know, we're not traveling all the time. I do appreciate you guys still checking in and watching. So, but I just want to say, ooh, I don't want to cover that. I'll just hide that there. Okay, I just want to say goodbye, and we'll see you later, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.